Skull and Bones complete ship list. In the treacherous waters of Skull and Bones, where notorious pirates carve their names in history, the expansion of deadly fleets reigns supreme. Delve into the arsenal of all 10 unlockable ship classes, each bestowed upon those who rise in notoriety with distinct capabilities shaping their battlefield roles. Skull and Bones introduces 3 primary vessel archetypes tailored for strategic dominance: the agile damage dealers, the resilient tanks, and invaluable support vessels. Damage dealers. Ships like the blaster sloop and bombardier rain havoc with devastating barrages, relying on evasive maneuvers or ranged combat due to their modest armor. Tanks. Dominated by vessels like the hullbreaker, these imposing ships boast formidable defenses and crowd control capabilities, surviving blows that would shatter lesser boats. Support ships. Masters of battlefield triage. Support vessels excel in repairing breaches and providing restorative supplies from the safety of the rear lines, ensuring the longevity of their allies. Here's a breakdown of each ship class, its type, inquired infamy rank, size, and unique perk. The Doe DPS, with an infamy rank of 1 and a size extra small. Its unique perk is Hunter, which allows the protection of resources obtained through animal hunting. Hulk Tank, with the infamy rank 1 and size small. Its unique perk is an Ironclad, which reduces brace strength depletion by 20% when hit, increases brace strength by 250%, and brace strength recovery by 25%. Bidar DPS, with an infamy rank of 1 and its size small. The unique perk is Lancer, which enhances ramming damage by 25% and reduces the slowing effect of torn sails by 50%. This applies flooded effect to an enemy ship upon ramming. Cutter Support, infamy rank 1, with a small size. The unique perk is Unburden. It restores severe damage by 1% and hull health by 0.5% per second. Additionally, it restores hull health of all friendly ships in a 100-meter radius of a repaired target by 1% and restores 60% more of hull health on a friendly ship while using a repair weapon. Sloop DPS, infamy rank 2, size small. The unique perk is Outburst. Explosive hits have a 50% chance of triggering an explosion, dealing 1,500 damage within a blast of 150 meters. It also increases damage to structures by 20% and explosive damage by 15%. Barge DPS, with an infamy rank of 2 and size small. The unique perk is Wildfire. Applying the ablaze effect to a ship will apply the same effect to all enemies in a radius of 125 meters. It also increases weapon damage by 10% and burning damage increases ablaze charge speed by 50%. Padiwakong DPS, with an infamy rank 5 and size medium. Its unique perk is Detonate. Explosive hits have a 70% chance, 100% of the target ship is ablaze or on fire, of triggering an explosion, dealing 1,000 damage within a 125-meter blast radius. It also increases damage to structures by 20% and weapon damage radius by 15%. Snow Tank, with an infamy rank of 5 and size medium. Its unique perk is Tenacity. It recovers brace strength by 4% per second while bracing. Additionally, it increases brace strength by 50% and brace strength recovery by 150%. Sandbook DPS, with an infamy rank 5 and size medium. The unique perk being Scorched deals with 5,000 burning damage when applying the Ablaze effect to an enemy ship. Ablaze will be applied to enemies in a radius of 150 meters. It also increases damage to ships that are ablaze by 30%. Brigantine DPS, infamy rank 5, size medium. The unique perk, Bullhorn, increases damage from ramming by 45%. Additionally, it reduces the duration of the torn sails effect by 80% and applies flooded to an enemy ship upon ramming.